Welcome to JH. Today we're putting the VSeeBox V3 Plus and the V6 head-to-head to see which one actually deserves a spot under your TV. The V3 Plus is running Android 11 with a Cortex-A53 CPU, which is perfectly fine if you're still living in 2021 and enjoy a slightly vintage tech experience. On the other hand, the V6 steps into the modern era with Android 14 and a snappier Cortex-A55 processor for significantly faster performance. When it comes to visuals, the V3 Plus supports 6K HDR, but the V6 goes all out with 8K HDR and HDMI 2.1. Because let's be honest, we all definitely have 8K monitors and the superhuman eyesight required to actually tell the difference. For connectivity, the V3 Plus relies on Wi-Fi 5, while the V6 upgrades to Wi-Fi 6 and adds a dedicated Ethernet port. It's a great addition for anyone who's tired of their movie night being interrupted by the dreaded loading circle of doom. The V3 Plus includes a standard Bluetooth remote, but the V6 treats you to a backlit remote with voice control, finally solving the ancient struggle of finding buttons in the dark. The V6 also introduces multi-view streaming, allowing you to watch multiple channels at once so you can be disappointed by several sports teams simultaneously. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the V3 Plus is a solid choice. But if you want to be future-proof and have a little extra cash to burn, the V6 is the clear winner.